I think that in America today, if you sort of polled, 100 groups of parents, they would all say, I want my child to go to a university and become some sort of a professional. But the reality is, that's not going to happen. There's financial limitations, there are academic limitations, there are some kids that just isn't the right seat that they need to fill on the bus. They should be working with their hands. They're more inclined towards a trade. When it comes to the aviation field, there are aircraft designers, there are aircraft engineers, there is obviously pilots, there are flight attendants, there is an entire litany of people that it takes to create sort of that successful experience of transporting a passenger from point A to point B. And I would argue that just about at the top of that pile in terms of what is the most important is the men and women that actually turn the wrenches on those turbine engines, on those gearboxes, that fix those electrical systems. We need to be able to teach people how to fix and repair all of the modern sort of amenities and luxuries that we enjoy in life. Offering trades to people who aren't going to be CEOs of major, Fortune 500 companies is a very, very important facet in our society. If everyone became the CEO of a company, there'd be no one to do any of those other things that our society needs. And I would actually argue that I would much rather have a good mechanic or a good plumber than a good CEO of a big company.